this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I've got a little secret that I want to share with you. I don't know if anyone's been wondering where I get all my fabric from, because I have a lot more each month, and one of the places I get it from, in fact the main place I get it from, is Abercorn Fabrics. I do go in store on odd occasions. I did last year a few times, but I have been buying online, and online they actually sell fabric bundles. The polar fleece, 4 metre lengths I showed you last week, they were the bundle packs, assorted packs that were online. Now you can't say I want a particular print, that's why they sell them off at a greater reduced price. So for those 4 1 metre lengths, they cost me about £18. Now they do a curtain fabric one, a dressmaking fabric one, but they also do an assorted one, which is £7.50, and there are 10 pieces in there. Some of them may only be like half a yard, half a metre, which is enough. I've got little tops out of those. Some of them are as big as nearly 2 metres. Now you saw that I got some material for making a winter coat, which I have done, and it's now downstairs hanging up on the coat rack. But that was one of the materials in these packs. Now I've opened this box and had a little look, and yes, I've got some more of it as well. But these are £7.50 for what's possibly 10 metres of material. That's like 75 pence a metre, which is absolutely brilliant. And you've got 10 different sorts. Normally I only get 1 or 2 of the packs, but this time I've got 5 of them. So I thought I'll show you them here now. I have opened the box and had a little peek in. That's why I knew I got some more of that material that I've used for my winter coat. But I'll show you now what it's like. I do apologise for that noise. It's these workmen. I don't know how long they're going to be here for, but anyhow, that's life. But this box is full. There's approximately 50 metres of fabric in here for £35. Well, £37.50. And so I'm going to get it out and go through it. And I thought I'll do one with you first of all. I'm sorry it's fairly dull in here. I've been waiting for this to arrive, and I'm itching to get doing things with it. So I can't wait till tomorrow when it's brighter, so I've tried it with my lights on. Right, this is the one that was on top. Let's move that out of the way. So it's £7.50 for all that material, which is absolutely brilliant. Don't worry, these aren't my fabric scissors, they're ones that I use for plastic bags or cardboard or anything. They're anything scissors they are. But this is the first bundle. And this is like cream cottony material, which if I move this over, you might be able to see the amount that there is. Oh, yeah. That is approximately full width of fabric, which is very wide. Full width of fabric is, whoa, oh, it's folded in 4. Three, 6, 9, 12. Full width of fabric is 120 inches, and I've got 2 meters of that, more or less. I should say, yeah, 1.75 meters, and that is just one of the pieces. Now that on its own, you would go and get cotton for quilting or backing or anything, and you would spend more than £7.50 on that. And that's one of the fabrics in it. It's absolutely brilliant. So that is like 75p. Now there's nets here. Don't really want nets, but I can use them in some things. So put that to one side. Whoa. This is like fake leather upholstery that you do leather seats with, and I had some of this in brown and I made a bag out of it. Now I've got it in white. I can also do a white bag. This is, it's already fleece backed. It's cream. That it's about width of fabrics. That's salvage, I think. No, that's a salvage. Yeah, it's a normal width of fabric, 45 inches, and there's 3/4 of a yard metre there, but it's already backed with fleece. So instead of getting iron-on fleece and ironing it to some fabric, I've got it already there. And I could have done with that yesterday when I was just playing around with bits. So there's, and it's in a different pile. This is like a vinyl covering that you'd have on your table, and it's, as you can see, flowery patterns and that, and it's a big piece. These pieces, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'll see. I'll do something with them. But even if you disregard everything else, just in these 3 here, £7.50 for those 3 if you ignore everything else. And I haven't finished going through everything else. There's another net curtain. This is some, it's heavier weight than cotton. That's the only thing you're not quite sure what it is. It's a heavier weight than cotton, and it's only about, I'd say, 3/4 of a yard. Yeah, not that much, but for 75p. See that? Make a nice back to a pillow or something. Different pile for that one. And what have we got here? This is sort of a bit like a mottled velvet, and there is about a metre's width there, near enough. It actually hangs more like curtain fabric, but you can use curtain fabric to back your hanging quilts, back cushion covers that you patchwork. This is similar. This is a bit of the material that I made my winter coat out of, and this is similar to it. Now it looks as though I might have the same amount. No, not quite as much, but there's a metre of it. So in here there might be some other material, some other fabric that can go with it, and I can have 2 winter coats then. So that's another pile. There's another net curtain. There seems like there's a lot there, so I'll have a good look at it later. Might actually be able to use that for one of my windows. But this did catch my eye. It's a thick fabric, more like you'd use for a curtain, say, and it's sort of like a velour feel to it. There's only about half a metre there, but I do quite like it. But that's one bag for £7.50. I'm going to go through the others now and then sort them into piles and then put them away. My desk now is completely full of fabric. I'll just quickly show you a few things. I'll quickly show you a few things. This is a pile of different cottons I can use for quilting, backing, all the rest. This I could use for cushion cover backings. It's a bit thicker than the quilting cotton. This hessian, don't know what I'm going to do with that. This is another one of them PVC plastic tablecloth covers. Thing is though, the other month I ordered some of this material and I got this, which is exactly the same, but it's in cotton. So now I've got the matching, apart from that's more grey than that. But don't know what I'll use them for yet. Then another PVC thing. Oh, here is material that I could use for curtains, for backing, wall hanging quilts, even making another winter coat, because yes, there is the green, no, that's the brown, and there's the green, which I've already done one out of, but there's also this lovely velour. At the back here I've got everything that I could use for bag making, so all this I could use as lining for it. I might even make a top out of one of those because it's nice. And there's also what I'd use as the outer for bags. This pile is net curtains. There are some big bits, but I'll go through them, look at the patterns and see if I can piece them together and use them at home. Not finished yet. Back here there's some more that I could use as cushion cover backs. It's quite nice stuff, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for at the moment. This is the more thicker, not sure what I'd use it, but I will find a use. And that, the grey, is very, very heavy. Still not finished. There's that cream that's already got fleece on it, and there's a piece that is already quilted up, and that's 1.5 meters. It's got the wadding in it, so I don't know what I'd use this for. Plus, last month I bought one of these packs and there was one in white. This one is cream. So I got quite a bit to put away now. So I thought I'd just share this with you. I'm going to be editing it to death because it will be a long video, but no sewing. But this is my secret. I buy these assorted packs for £7.50, £37.50, and there is so much here. £37.50, and it's working out. It works out as if there's 10 pieces in a bag, some of which are only 0.5 metre, some of them 1.5 metre. So if you average it out at 10 pieces, a metre each, that's 75 pence a metre. I've had 5 bags, so that's 50 metres for £37.50 of assorted fabrics. Yay! Fun! Thank you. Thank you. Bye.